Hello, I'm back. That took a while. This is what happens when real life gets in between stuff. Um, but yeah. Alright, so. We were figuring out stuff, right? About passing unique pointers. Yeah. So we said adding a scene can be done via unique pointer. Yeah, and placing a scene. Easy enough. So I'm placing a scene. I guess like this. Sorry for that. Oh, had to sneeze twice. Yeah, a second. Yeah. Okay. My stream manager just disconnected for a second there. Let's make unique, right? Scene with the name as parameter. Scenes currently they don't do much, right? Especially like for construction, they really don't need much. They only have like a constructor with a name. This is going to make a unique pointer. We get scene pointer, which will be scene.get. Yeah, we replace scene in here, and we return scene pointer, right? 1 second, let me just yeah, it's I don't know. I guess it's a bit dusty in here. Yeah, so we do this. Get scene by name. Honestly, scenes should have like some sort of ID system, because the name is just like a semantic differentiator, right? All scenes had like a static ID counter that will keep track of whether or not we have duplicates. It could be a bit better. Then the same applies to all game objects and the components and whatever, right? Because yeah, that's like a big part of game engines, retrieving data, finding data. Being able to do that efficiently is very hard. Well, there are existing solutions, right? But yeah, for now, I guess sorting by name is more than enough. Right. So, get scene by name. Just like a find if, right? This, and I think I already did this here. This gets the scene by name. I do this, right? Name, and then I check if this means we don't have the scene, right? This, and then we can just return the iterator. Right, because we're returning a pointer. Nope. And then honestly, what we can do here is we can just do scene by name, just pass in scene name, and you can say let's do scene pointer, scene, right, equals that. If I guess not scene, right? Scene is a null pointer. Then this, and then also here, turn right. And then in here, it does this. It sets this to scene. Yeah, it is. Yeah, here as well. Probably return no PTR. Let's avoid as its turn. Okay, so question. Remove scene, right? Should we allow the user to remove a scene while that one is the current scene? I feel like we shouldn't, right? Should always first switch to a different scene and then remove. Yeah, so. Current scene is not the scene that we want to remove, and we have to do still erase if right, and then we go scenes. This. So weird. Why does this not automatically find it, right? Should be able to get like deduce the fact that it's like the unique pointer type, right? I guess not. Let's see. Let's equals. Oh yeah. Pointer. Something like this. And then this will automatically erase the unique pointer from this list. And because it's a unique pointer and nothing else has ownership of it, it just goes out of scope and it gets deleted. And then here as well, we just say scene pointer scene equals gets scene by name. We pass in the name that we get, right? If scene is filled, right? So else clause, log stuff, right? This, and then we can just do a move scene with just like that. And I'm thinking this is most, if not all, what we need for this. I just go here, all of our functions are filled in, right? And then we can go like this, like main. And then what we have in our render function, well, let's first here, that's the auto reference for Lua, right? Let's make another one. Reference scene manager equals scene. This is the Park namespace. So Park scene manager instance, right? Now I'm gonna have to include this periods. Can't find it. Awesome. Let's just include this here. Include scene manager. Awesome. Here we have scene manager instance, right? That's very nice. And then here we just say scene manager dot update, right? And then we have to calculate the time. Just say 0 for now. It is inaccessible. Why is it inaccessible? Did I forget my public and privates? Yes, I did. Okay, so if I go back to main, fix it. Awesome. Okay, so now this gets a render, right? The render function. I'm thinking, what does render function even do? Starts the new frame, right? mGUI render does the SDL stuff, right? I feel like these are just going to be in like another singleton, right? For now, let's just modify this to have a reference, right? I don't think I can do that, but I can, I guess, do this reference in manager, right? Spark in manager. And then I can just give this that, right? And then I can just remove this. Then this is going to be scene manager dot mGUI render. And then this is going to be what is it going to be? This is going to be Manager.just render. And I think should be most of it. This is probably not going to work yet. Let me just remove this. These to-dos can go the other stuff. Do I have an error? Yes, I do. Here. So, how does this work? So we have. Do we have a way of getting the current scene? No, right? Just add that. Current scene. Like this. Return. Current scene. And then in here, what we actually have to do is we go with inventor dot get current scene. Scene is that, and then scene dot place game object, right? This replaces that. And normally everything should still work. I feel like might be wrong. Let's try and build. It's been a while since we pressed the F7 button. Ooh. Okay. I think we have quite a lot of issues. Let's see. Raw pointer not found. Wait, what? Oh, okay. That's from the time when I added. Let's try again. Okay, we have an override somewhere. Override did not override any base class. That's interesting. Oh, yeah. This needs that. And then if I go like this, well, I go like this. Right, and if I go back, I should have fixed it. Ooh, Okay. Quite some issues. In scene. What is it trying to do? Remove game object. Wait, yeah, okay. Function was explicitly deleted, it says. Am I copying something? Oh, it might be because it's trying to copy. Do this. Yeah, there might be a couple places where I do this. Yes, there it is. Where else? And we have linker errors. Scene manager render reference and function. There. Interesting. Scene manager, init, update, render, mqi render. They exist, right? Public class spark scene. Scene manager that get current scene. So it's trying to call the render function and the render function of main. Right, also mgui render. Scene manager, right? Yes. The render function. We create the scene manager. Right, get instance returns a scene manager reference. Yes. And then it's crying about the fact that I'm using scene manager. Calling get current scene on it, right? That's weird. Could it be because This references Steam. Shouldn't be an issue, I think. It might be. Wait, let's do this. Okay. Interesting. This as well. You never know. We're getting issues. Nice, okay. Blue instance, maybe? Yeah, that one does as well. Interesting. Let's try and find out why this happens. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. That's the issue. Not in the correct place. Oh. Okay, no, that's still wrong for some reason. Wait. In my source make list. Yeah, no, it should be. That's interesting. Sorry. Okay. Seems like some stuff has changed. We're getting different errors now. It's nice. Here. Use of undefined type. Where is it trying to use it? Okay. So I guess it wants the explicit definition of game object in there, but yeah, not sure if I want to give it that. Yeah. Okay, that's too bad, I guess. Works, right? Let's see. Okay. External symbol, init reference and function. Scene manager. Scene not init. Thing. Does scene.cpp not have an init function? Scene set name, get name. Update render and remove. Yes, okay. Makes sense. It's like this, and then all the init. Right. No need to delete game objects here. Initial. Build again. And there we go. Try and run. If anything breaks. And no, it doesn't. And also our Lua works. Hello from Lua, it says. Okay. Awesome. This means Okay. So I have scenes, the scene manager, right? Next thing is scene graph. So I think I'll probably end this today. I'll just add like an engine ImGUI window. I guess somewhere right here, right? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so let's just quickly do like a void ImGUI render scene graph, something like that, right? Then we will do like an ImGUI begin scene graph. This takes in a null PTR. I want this to close, right? And then ImGUI window flags score no collapse. Don't want this to collapse. Add some text. Our text is going to be should probably be like scene name, right? Okay. Be able to use like string format or whatever. ImGUI separator. Right. And then game objects and their children, right? And then it should be ImGUI and then do this. I think after we render our game elements. I feel like, but no, it should be before, because I know you can reference like windows, right? So they should be probably already rendered. This. Question is, Will this be locked? Um, mhm. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna add another function for the dock space. It seems like. Um, um, okay. Yeah, I'm copying this over. Uh, mhm. Let's see. I can just copy this. Right. And then we have these things. Interesting. I guess this these are like flags to just prevent this dock space from moving. More stuff. Then this. And then we have this. Then we end. And then before doing anything else, we render the dock space. Yeah, I don't know how this is going to work, but probably should. No? Oh, we are missing something. All right. Okay. That's cool. Yeah. Question is, why is the background not transparent? Um, Size. All right. Got docking working now. So scene manager done. First step towards the scene graph. And yeah, cool, nice work. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. And see you next time.